Hey there campers, here's how you can build an upper deck for your camper van in Outbound. As shown in the game's promotional art, you can build an upper deck on your camper van, ranging from a small rooftop garden to a full-blown cabin. If you're taking your time progressing through the game, it may take a while to unlock since it becomes available as the 7th blueprint, regardless of which signal tower or landmark terminal you use. That means you'll need to download 6 other blueprints before it becomes available. Once it finally appears in your gameplay progression, download the blueprint and return to your camper van. Open up your workbench, since you'll need to craft the upgrade there first. Complete the short puzzle to unlock building access to the upper deck. After installing the upgrade, you'll notice a new ladder whenever you set up camp. That's how you access the rooftop of your van. Simply open the build menu and you'll find several newly unlocked blueprints for base building. Take your time expanding your upper deck however you like and build whatever you want. Don't mind my build. It's just a sample to show you what's possible, and that's basically all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.